Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from VerifyWise. Today we'll be going over frameworks. Organizational frameworks are how you operationalize a standard inside VerifyWise. This is where you stand up an AI management system under ISO 42001, clause 4 and 5. Requires you to define the scope, assign leadership, and document the goal of the aims before you can claim conferments. NIST AI RMF's govern function lands in the same place. We're on the organizational frameworks page. It's empty for now. VerifyWise is telling us we can manage ISO 27001, ISO 42001, and NIST AI RMF from here. I'll click on the new project button in the top right so we can start with the setup. The Create New Framework panel opens. Framework title, I'll call it as the AI Management System 2026. I assign myself as the owner. Now, since I do not have any team member, I can keep it as blank. There's no worry on it. I'll set the start date for today. For the geography, I'll assign it as Europe, since both of our use cases were also for that particular region. And in the framework status, I'll set it as not started. I'll assign the applicable regulations as for ISO 42001 and 27001, and I'll also give a goal to the use framework we have. And that's it. I'll simply click on Create Framework, and that's it. VerifyWise does it. The project now appears in the organizational frameworks page, ready to be opened and worked on. In this section, we've shown you how to stand up an organizational framework in VerifyWise, naming an owner, scoping the geography, picking the standard its answers to, and writing down the goals so the program has a memory. Every clause, control, and a piece of evidence we capture from here on ties back to this project. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.